Alright guys, so welcome to the video. We're going to be doing a little POV driving on this 2021 Honda Civic Sport hatch. So as you can see, I just want to make sure that you guys are actually seeing what I'm seeing. So come join me as we go for a ride on this Civic. Alright, so this is obviously what the inside looks like from my perspective. So we're gonna go ahead and start the car. Make sure that you guys are looking at what I'm seeing. Of course, safety first, put your seatbelt on. Alright, and we are now gonna be going. And again, this video, I'm not really going to say anything as I'm just going to show you my daily commute and just to show you what exactly it looks like riding in this car. I've been getting a lot of requests of doing such video, so here it is right now. Here's a POV. I'm not going to do much commentary, so it's basically just me driving, and this is a CVT. There's some mods that are done to this vehicle, like a short ram intake, and then I got a muffler delete, and then I lowered the car with Eibach springs with the strut bar. Other than that, the car is pretty much stock. It's not tuned or anything. So yeah, this is a CVT, as you can see right here. So we're gonna go ahead and start. Again, this does have a muffler delete, so it is gonna sound a tad bit bassier. So yeah, let's get started. Take the brake hold off button first. Let me just make a U-turn here. And I do apologize if my head is shaky. Again, the GoPro is just strapped onto my head. So wherever I'm looking, you guys will be able to see it. Let me just open up the window. So we're going to go ahead and put this on sport manual mode. Okay. Turn this off so you guys can hear it. So let's use the adaptive cruise control. So I'm gonna set it on. Let's go ahead and set this to 72 miles, see what happens. So my foot is not doing anything. As you can see, my foot is right here, and I'm barely touching the steering wheel. And this car would actually steer itself. So like right now, here is a curve coming up, and the car is now steering itself. So, and it does give you a message when it senses that your hands are off the steering wheel. It is required for you to be, you know, touching the steering wheel. So like I said earlier, my hands are off, and my foot is off any pedals, and I'm barely touching the steering wheel. So it does kind of steer itself. So right now we're going 45 and accelerating. So we're gonna go back to 72 because that's how we set up the cruise control to go to. So we're going up, steering required. Put my phone up, you can hear the whooshing sound too. Let's set the distance to a little closer. So now we're coming up to a turn, and the car is turning itself up. So when it senses that your hands are off the steering wheel, you know, it gives you that little error message. But yeah, this is the adaptive cruise control. And we are inside of the lines. The car is steering itself, and yeah, the car is performing perfectly actually, even with all the curves. Like here's another curve. So I'm gonna leave my hands off the steering wheel. It's turning by itself. I'm literally not doing anything. My foot is off, my hands are off, and the car is basically controlling itself. Now it does give you that message, steering required. So we're gonna go ahead and turn everything off. How do you turn this off? Let's do that. There you go. Everything's now turned off. We're coming to a complete stop. But yeah, there's a little preview for you guys of the adaptive cruise control and the lane assist feature that they have on this car. It's pretty cool. You know, you can go on long drives and the car would pretty much drive itself. Even with the traffic, like the car handled pretty well, and it knew when to slow down, where to steer, Okay. So yeah, I think now would be a perfect time to do a 0 to 60 in this car. So here we go. This really does have no gears whatsoever. That was weird. Alright, so I guess that's about it. Pretty much showed everything. I kind of did a 0 to 60 unofficially. The tires were a little bit spinning, but yeah. That about wraps up this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I did get some requests of a POV drive in the 2021 Honda Civic Sport Hatch. So hopefully your wishes has been granted. Again, that 0 to 60 time earlier was unofficial. Like, I wasn't, you know, the road was kind of wet, so the tires were spinning a little bit. But yeah, in a future video I'll probably do a 0 to 60 once I get, you know, that fresh oil change. But yeah, if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Comment down below what you guys think of this video, because I do read all the comments and I do try to reply to each and every one of you. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because I do make more videos. Of this 2021 Honda Civic Sport Hatch every Saturdays and Tuesdays. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Anyways, guys, this is Time FK7, and peace out.